Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing top best rated tweets for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweet is called Cydia Quick Translations, and you can now enjoy Cydia Quick in English and German. This is just the translation. You will also need the original tweet called Cydia Quick from this tweet right here. So this tweet is called Super Recorder X Plus. It's a call recorder and voice amplifier. So if you've recorded phone calls, Skype, Viber, WhatsApp calls, like I said, voice amplifier, so you can increase your speakers, iPhone speakers up to volume up to 200%. Directly upload your recordings to Google Drive and Dropbox. You have activate support, accessibility, haptic feedback support, and yeah. So it only works on all devices on iOS 8 and up. iPhone 4S, it will only works while playing through the external speaker. So make sure you guys do follow and comply with this notice right here, guys. Warning legal notice. In some countries, it's illegal to perform a recording without the other party acknowledgement. So you can play a beep every 20 seconds to notify the party taking place. You can disable or enable the beeping from the application. So me or developer, which is hats, cannot be held responsible for any illegal use of this application. And by installing this application, you confirm you take full responsibility on actions performed by this application. So I'm just showing you guys this for educational purposes only. You are responsible for what you guys do with this application. Me or developers not taking responsibility for how you guys use it. If you guys get in trouble, everything's on you. We hold no liability towards that. And this tweet does cost $3.99, valid for one device. For license, you can reset it up to 3 times. So definitely worth it, in my opinion. For $3.99, I think it's an amazing tweak, and it does get updated. So the developers still working on this tweak. This tweet is called YouTube Music Reborn. It's YouTube Music Customizer, so it's kind of like a YouTube Music plus. This is called Total Charge Tones. Play selected tone alert when your battery is totally charged up to 100%. This tweet is called Lang Swipe, a better way to switch between keyboard languages. So it requires at least iOS 13.0 and up. You have these features right here, compatibility. This tweet is called Dual Clock, as a second clock to the lock screen and status bar. This is called C Sources 2, so Cilio support. You can see C Sources 2 Cilio support, either supported, so supports iOS 9.3.3 or greater, which all devices. Supports Checkra1n, Chimera, and with Cilio. This is called What to Suit 2 for WhatsApp, version 1.3.20. All-in-one tweak for the WhatsApp Messenger, supports iOS 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. It makes WhatsApp easier and simpler to use, allowing you to change every part of the app and satisfy your needs. So these features right here for WhatsApp. Next is called What to Suit Tools, library for What to Suit and WhatsApp tweets. Next is called TouchFlow, and what this tweak allows you to do, supports iOS 11 to 13.3, iOS 11 13. It shows your touches on the screen, so like how I'm touching right now, it does something just like that. I mean, this is Ant-Rack, the way I'm touching and screen recording, but this basically allows you to touch the screen and show where you touch it, just like you see that red. That's basically what this tweak does. And this is called Easy YouTube, ports VLC gestures to the YouTube app. And this is called PKG History. It's a publication that records your package history once you install it. So records package installations, removals, upgrades, and downgrades. And this is called Sort and Swipe, and show your home screen icons with the swipe. This is called AIA, and cleans up notification banners and widget platters. This is called libgc Universal Library for Tweet Development, because it's annoying to add new library for every little thing. And last tweet is called Kira. It's iOS 14's indicator dots, iOS 12 and 13. Depending on the color, you can tell what is being used. So you see camera, that color means I think the voice, and then microphone, and then GPS. So pretty cool. Supports iOS 12, 13.7. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.